Okay, two main things. We need to add more fields. We need to have from here, we need to add the company name, the company address, then the dates that the interview will hold, and then what type of job it is. Okay, so then how much, what is the budget, how much they are going to pay the developer per month or for the gig. All right, so we're going to add company name, and we're going to add company address. Okay, or we can just put an address. It may not be company address. What if the person doesn't have a company? Okay, so then we will have to add what job type. Then we can do date, interview date, and then what else can we put here? Payment amount. How do we add it? Do we call it amount? Budget. Yes, budget. Okay. So job type will determine the kind of budget. So all these things can be, no, the budget cannot be empty, do we? Okay, let's look at which one can be null. It's as if we'll make everything null. Okay, this one cannot be null. Job type cannot be null. Interview dates cannot be null. Is it interview date? I think we should have something like latest date for application. Okay, so we'll add it to address. What if address can be null, company name can be null, and job type cannot be null, interview date may or may not be null. Okay, latest date for application. Okay, application latest date. But let's just keep it that way. So this is a date time, and the budget is decimal. Decimal is double. We'll just use double. Double is 10 to, so we'll use double. That's the amount of money they have in budget. Then job type will be variable character. We'll fix what we have there, 255. So this will be a drop down eventually, where they will select whether it's a side job or remote job, whether they will select different types of jobs, whether it's full-time, part-time, Okay, so I think we'll still have to modify this. Alright, so we click save, then we add just one more field and we're good to go. So we need to add something called location type. I'm just making up this name, so which means you can always call yours anything. So after we have, okay, budget, we can have location type. I'll just click add location type, and the location type is basically whether it's full-time or whether it's on-site or remote. So if they are trying to recruit a software developer, they have to state whether the developer will be there physically with them or whether the developer can work remote. Okay, so we have this, and of course it can be null. And what else are we going to set? Okay, this length, just put 255 and we say save. So now we have enough things to work with. So the next thing we're going to do is to quickly go to the posts model and list all this as fillable. So if we go to our code, we will go to models and we will go to post, and there we can now start adding these things as fillable. So we have location type. I'm just calling this off the top of my head. Then we have tags. I'm going to pause this so that I can enter all this and I'll show you when I restart it. So there we go. I've added mine, so you can just quickly add yours. And what we'll do in the next video is to go to the post add view and start modifying some of these things. So at the post, we just go to resources and we go to posts, where people can create posts, so we can modify some of these things. So I want to quickly use this moment to remind you that you can, of course, go to my GitHub If you go to github.com/DaveOzalo, if you go to this, you will see under my name, you will see job recruitment website, or you can just visit it directly /DaveOzalo/job recruitment website, and you have this is the source code for this project. So if you feel that yours is not working well, you can always clone this directly and gain access. All right, so see you in the next video.